Natikman niyo na ba tong SpongeBob SquarePants donuts from Krispy Kreme? If hindi pa, you have until June 29 na lang. If you're a fan of SpongeBob SquarePants, you wouldn't want to miss these yummy and super cute donuts. Here's our quick review ng all 6 flavors. Start tayo kay Gary. It's filled with vanilla cream na light lang, sa sakto lang yung tamis. Tapos dip siya in chocolate coating. They use candy toppers and colored chocolate to design yung sa ibabaw. Super cute. Next is yung iconic The Pineapple House naman. Ito talaga yung ayaw kong kainin kasi ang cute ng design. Pero na-curious kami kung pineapple ba yung filling niya. And yes, pineapple cream nga. Lasa mo yung flavor niya kahit na light lang. Then meron siyang glaze on top and mga candy toppers plus colored chocolate yung gamit din for the design. Then kay Squidward naman, inisip ko, positive flavor kaya. Charot. Custard ang filling niya. Dapat dark chocolate nilagay nila rito para kunwari ink ng squid, diba? Missed opportunity. Tapos same ng iba na dip din sa chocolate coating. Then may candy toppers to give it that Squidward signature grumpy look. Si Patrick Star naman, medyo mukha naman siyang starfish. Ang cute. I love na strawberry filling yung laman niya. Then combined with the dark chocolate sa design, candy toppers and chocolate coating, sarap niya. Next up, of course, is SpongeBob SquarePants. Kawig naman niya, cute yung design with the candy toppers. I thought na peanut butter yung coating sa labas, but it's actually chocolate din pala, plus may candy toppers. Then yung filling niya is dark chocolate. Ito yung pinaka-bet ko, pero dapat nagpalit sila ng filling ni Squidward. Finally, yung Krabby Patty. Mukha siyang glazed burger. I thought may filling siya, pero hollow lang yung loob. Sana nilagyan na ng chocolate filling din. Brownie batter daw yun, kaso di siya filled completely, so bitin. Pero naliw pa rin naman kami dito. Overall, natuwa naman kami sa flavors and designs ng SpongeBob SquarePants donuts na to from Krispy Kreme. Sayang, kasi until June 29 na lang siya. If na-try nyo na to, which donut yung favorite nyo? Share nyo naman in the comments.